Welcome to our channel. Today, we're discussing the much-anticipated Insta360 Ace Pro 2 action camera. While not officially launched yet, there are some exciting leaks and rumors circulating about its impressive features. First and foremost is its rumored 8K video recording capability, allowing the camera to capture incredibly sharp and detailed footage at 4,320 resolution. This high level of clarity is perfect for filmmakers and adventure enthusiasts alike, whether you're documenting expansive landscapes or high-speed action shots. The detail in 8K video allows for more flexibility in post-production, including cropping and zooming without losing quality. Another standout feature is the slow-motion recording, which reportedly can capture up to 240 frames per second. This feature enables users to slow down footage by 8 times, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving scenes like sports, wildlife, or even dramatic action moments. The high frame rate ensures every motion, no matter how quick, is captured in clear detail. In terms of stabilization, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to come equipped with advanced technology that minimizes camera shake. Whether you're skiing, mountain biking, or simply walking, this stabilization feature will ensure your videos stay smooth and steady, even in challenging conditions. Lastly, the camera is rumored to offer enhanced connectivity with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support. Bluetooth allows for remote control with minimal battery use, while Wi-Fi enables quick file transfers and live streaming directly from the camera to social media platforms. 8K video recording. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is rumored to feature 8K video recording, which means it can capture incredibly sharp and detailed footage. Whether you're filming stunning landscapes or fast-moving action scenes, the 8K resolution will ensure your videos look amazing. Slow motion recording. Another exciting feature is its ability to record slow-motion videos at up to 240 frames per second. This allows you to slow down fast-moving scenes, making them appear 8 times slower than normal. It's perfect for capturing sports, wildlife, or any fast-paced action in amazing detail. Advanced stabilization technology. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to come with advanced stabilization technology. This will help reduce camera shake, ensuring smooth and steady videos even in tough conditions like skiing or cycling on rough trails. Connectivity options. The camera is rumored to have both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, offering flexibility in how you control and share your footage. You can control it remotely with Bluetooth or use Wi-Fi for faster file transfers and live streaming. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is shaping up to be an impressive action camera, packed with features designed to capture high-quality footage in a variety of conditions. One of its standout features is the rumored 8K video recording, which allows for stunningly sharp and detailed visuals at a 4,320 resolution. This level of clarity is ideal for capturing everything from scenic landscapes to fast-paced action scenes with lifelike precision. In addition to 8K video, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to offer slow-motion recording at up to 240 frames per second. This feature allows for dramatic slow-motion effects, where footage is slowed down to reveal intricate details that are typically too fast to see. This makes it perfect for action sports, wildlife filming, or any fast-moving subjects, offering users creative flexibility in how they capture their shots. The camera also promises advanced stabilization technology, which will help eliminate shaky footage. This is especially useful for high-action environments like mountain biking, skiing, or any activity where the camera is in motion. The result is smooth, professional-looking video, regardless of the terrain. Connectivity is another area where the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 shines, with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi options. Bluetooth allows for convenient remote control of the camera, while Wi-Fi ensures quick file transfers and even live streaming capabilities. Overall, with its 8K video, advanced slow motion, superior stabilization, and versatile connectivity, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 looks to be a top-tier action camera that caters to both professional content creators and casual users alike.